Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Honda CBR600RR. This is a 600cc middleweight supersport, liquid cooled, fuel injected, beautiful condition, flush mount turn signals in the front, brand new rear tire in the back, only 16,000 miles. Come by, make your supersport dreams come true for just $54.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 clean, beautiful used bikes for you. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.